Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can create beat effect on CapCut PC. So I have added one video and some photos here, and I have added the effect and transition and also animation, so you can see the result. And I'm just going to add beat effect on video only. So just going to effect, select nightclub, select beat, adjust for duration until the end of the video only, and go to audio. I'm just going to add beat sound effect, just going to type beat and just add this heartbeat one, step one. So here we go. Sorry. This is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.